Welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Real quick, I want to first of all apologize. I want to apologize, man. For some reason, I had no idea today was Friday, which means I had no idea yesterday was Thursday. Typically, I'd go on live stream on Thursday evening around 8 o'clock. Man, guys, I'm so far off track this week. It's unbelievable, okay? I can't remember what's going on, when it's supposed to go on. All I know, I was trying to accomplish a goal of uploading like maybe 2 or 3 videos a day, and that has drove me crazy, okay? Because keep in mind, guys, I don't want to just upload any kind of junk, so it has to have some quality behind it. But like I say, I want to apologize. I didn't get to go live stream yesterday, but here's a chance for me to make it up, guys. Tonight, 8 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, I will be live streaming tonight with my man Russ Shaw out of Seattle, I want to say. Okay, we're going to live stream tonight, 8 o'clock Eastern Standard Time on his channel. So if you're not subscribed to his channel, go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way you will get notified when the stream happen or in any of his future streams. Okay, guys, I want to make this quick, man. I apologize. Oh my goodness, I had no day. I got here this morning, my buddy was talking about Flex Friday. I'm like, that's tomorrow. He's like, no, today is Friday. And everything jacked up with me so far. But I'm gonna be back on track Monday, man. This stuff is unsustainable. I can't do this from a daily. I can't do this daily, okay? It's unsustainable. But we're gonna make it up, man. We're gonna chop it up tonight. Topics, as far as topics, there is none. We just gonna talk about any and every freaking thing known to man. Matter of fact, if y'all got some topics, just chime in. We will discuss it. Okay, throw some humor in there, laughter. Okay, let's chill, man. Let's have some fun tonight, man. So tonight, I'll see y'all, man. 8 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Russ Shaw. Shaw Family Video is the name of his channel. Shaw Family Video. Go on over there and subscribe, man. Hit that notification bell. I'll see y'all tonight over there. All right, stay tuned.